students, you are welcome to my channel Chemistry Guru. I am BD Tripathi, your chemistry teacher. Today I am going to start your chemistry chapter solutions. Topic: ideal and non-ideal solutions. On the basis of Raoult's law, binary liquid-liquid solutions can be classified into ideal and non-ideal solutions. Ideal solutions: the solution which obeys Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration and temperature is called ideal solutions. Conditions for an ideal solution are: number 1, it should obey Raoult's law, that is Pa equal to P naught A into chi A and Pb equal to Pb naught into chi B. Number 2, delta H mixing equal to 0. Number 3, delta V mixing equal to 0. There is no solution which behaves strictly as an ideal solution. However, the solutions in which solvent-solvent and solute-solute interactions are almost of the same type as solvent-solute interactions behave nearly as ideal solutions. Generally, most of the dilute solutions behave as ideal solutions. For example, solution of N-heptane and N-hexane, solution of ethyl bromide and ethyl iodide, solution of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, solution of benzene and toluene, etc. Next heading will be non-ideal solutions. The solutions which do not obey Raoult's law and are accompanied by change in enthalpy and change in volume during their formation are called non-ideal solutions. Conditions are: Pa is not equal to Pa naught into chi A, Pb is not equal to Pb naught into chi B. Number 2, delta H mixing is not equal to 0. Number 3, delta V mixing is not equal to 0. Examples: solution of water and hydrochloric acid, solution of chloroform and benzene, solution of water and nitric acid, solution of water and ethanol, solution of chloroform and ethanol. Next heading will be types of non-ideal solutions. The non-ideal solutions are further classified into two types: solutions showing positive deviations. Number 2, solutions showing negative deviations. Solutions showing positive deviations: those deviations in which the partial vapor pressure of each component, say A and B, of solution is greater than the vapor pressure as expected according to Raoult's law are called positive deviations. Conditions for the non-ideal solutions exhibiting positive deviations are: Pa is greater than P naught A into chi A, Pb is greater than P naught B into chi B, delta H mixing equal to positive, delta V mixing equal to positive. Examples: solution of acetone and carbon disulfide, solution of acetone and benzene, solution of acetone and ethanol, solution of ethyl alcohol and water, etc. Solutions showing negative deviations: those deviations in which the partial pressure of each component of solution is less than the vapor pressure as expected according to Raoult's law are called negative deviations. Conditions for non-ideal solutions exhibiting negative deviations are: Pa is less than P naught A into chi A, Pb is less than P naught B into chi B, delta H mixing equal to negative, delta V mixing equal to negative. Examples: solution of acetone and chloroform, solution of water and hydrochloric acid, solution of water and nitric acid, solution of chloroform and benzene, solution of chloroform and diethyl ether, etc. Difference between ideal and non-ideal solutions. Ideal solution, number 1, A-B interactions are similar to AA and BB interactions. For non-ideal solution, AB interactions are different from AA and BB interactions. Number 2, delta H mixing equal to 0. For non-ideal solution, delta H mixing is not equal to 0. For ideal solution, delta V mixing equal to 0. For non-ideal solution, delta V mixing is not equal to 0. Ideal solutions obey Raoult's law. Non-ideal solutions do not obey Raoult's law. Ideal solution do not form azeotrope. Non-ideal solution form azeotropes. Difference between solutions with positive deviations and solutions with negative deviations. Number 1, AB interactions are weaker than AA and BB interactions. For solutions with negative deviations, AB interactions are stronger than AA and BB interactions. For solutions with positive deviation, PA is greater than P naught A into chi A, PB is greater than P naught B into chi B. PA for negative deviation, PA is less than P naught A into chi A, PB is less than P naught B into chi B. Delta H mixing is greater than 0, delta H mixing is less than 0, delta B mixing is greater than 0, delta B mixing is less than 0. Solutions with positive deviations exhibit minimum boiling azeotropy. Solution with negative deviations exhibit maximum boiling azeotropy. Example, solution of water and ethanol. Solution with negative deviations, example, solution of water and nitric acid. Azeotropes are constant boiling mixtures. The mixture of liquid which boil at constant temperature like a pure liquid and possesses same composition of components in liquid as well as in vapor phase. Azeotropes are also called constant boiling mixture because whole of the azeotropes changes in vapor state at constant temperature and their components cannot be separated by fractional distillation. There are two types of azeotropes. Number 1, minimum boiling azeotropes. The solutions which show a large positive deviation from Raoult's law form minimum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. For example, ethanol and water mixture obtained by fermentation of sugars on fractional distillation gives a solution containing approximately 95% by volume of ethanol. Number 2, maximum boiling azeotropes. The solutions that show large negative deviations from Raoult's law form maximum boiling azeotropes at a specific composition. For example, mixture of nitric acid and water. This azeotrope has approximate composition 68% nitric acid and 32% water by mass with a boiling point of 393.5 Kelvin. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.